Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I've teamed up with Curls Curls again, and I want to show you this protective style lace wig. This is everything that came in the box: adjustable strap, wig caps, and extra combs. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. I think this wig is so beautiful and the curls are just gorgeous. So this is what the front looks like. This is what the lace looks like. It has a 13x6 deep parting. So you can part it in the middle, on the side, whatever you prefer. Comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, the adjustable straps on the wig, and then you can also add the extra adjustable straps. So what I'm going to do is just put this together, and then I'm just going to attach it to the wig, and then you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. And this is going to make sure that the wig stays extra flat. You don't need glue or anything. So I'm just cutting off the lace, and this is literally the only thing I did to the wig is just cut the lace, and it's ready to go. And I'm just parting my hair in the way that I want it. I want a side part. So I know it's looking kind of crazy right now, but once I finish getting it all together, it's going to look amazing. So I am using this extreme wet line gel. So I did go ahead and wet the hair, and I'm just applying this gel to the hair just to bring out the curls a little bit more and make it pop. So in a few seconds, you're going to see how I blend my edges in with this wig, but you don't have to do that at all because this wig will protect your edges. So you can just cover your edges with this wig and it will still look natural. But since I am just used to always having my edges out, I decided to blend in my edges with the actual wig and it still looks really good. So either or, whichever you prefer, you can do whatever best suits you. But I love that you don't have to put any glue on this wig whatsoever. And this is the final result. Look how beautiful these curls are. This wig is super lightweight. And the curls are everything. If you want something to just throw on and go, this is definitely the wig for you. If you haven't already, make sure that you check out Curls Curls. I will leave all the information in the description box. I also have a coupon code that will be there as well. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know what you think about this wig, and let me know if you have tried Curls Curls before. And I will see you all on the next video.